Magic sarap. Hindi yan magic sarap ha, baka gayahin ninyo. Tapos DAP, dyed ammonium phosphate. Good morning. Excited to plant this area ng different kinds of cultivar or varieties of durian. Since the irrigation system has been installed already by Netafim almost completely, that's why this morning magtanim tayo ng 62 muna, no? 62 different varieties. Ito, naka-install na lahat yung naka-net. And the soil, we prepared already the nutrients niya, mga abono, vitamins for the plants. Just like human beings, the plants need also nutrients para healthy yung leaves nila. At saka siyempre, pag bunga niyan, you can be assured of quality durian fruits, hopefully. So it takes patience to be a farmer. Importante yung passion mo. Ayan. And ito, siyempre, makita mo, pagsangko na siya. This has to be elevated later. Elevate ito. Lagyan natin ng tukod para hindi mahinder yung kanyang pagsaka, pagtubo. Yung una, 5 lang yun. Test plant lang. So, total of 67. And we will continue planting every day until mapuno ito. We planted this October 25. It's 1.5 months. The shoots are coming out, so that means to say that this will grow up. It's a sign na a sign na buhay na siya.
Kuha na siya na variety. Teka. Tupay.
Tupay, dagko eh. The first 5 that we planted last October 25. And now we are going to plant about 62 seedlings, no? Durian seedlings with different varieties. So excited to have this area planted na para makita natin and be patient enough to wait for 2 years siguro para or 1 year para makita tayo na buhay na. These are the vertebrae that would hold the erosion of the soil, no? Kasi mahaba ang roots niyan. The water system is in place already by Netafim there. So all will be facilitated with the hose na. Then we can start planting the whole area.
Para sa dahon.
Yeah, these are kung ano pa sa tao mga vitamins ito to DAP, diammonium phosphate. Wala na mo, dissolve na siya. Look at the science ba, no? Kung tingnan mo, parang bitchin lang yan. Blackthorn na. Ang blackthorn, pina-ana, no? Ang iyang leaves bitaw, pinipsaka gamay. O, muana ba? Nagtanong na po sila. Sige.
Dito siya pwede ilubong kayo kay dili ka ginhawa ang gamot.
This is blackthorn. Ang karakteristik ng blackthorn daw, branches pababa. The water system installed by Netafim. Ayan. So lahat ng mga itanim natin, mayroong tubo doon na automatic, simultaneous yung pagbigay ng tubig for every durian tree na itanim, no? Kaya yan, no, mga tubo. Kailangan merong overnet kasi minsan ang panahon direkta ang sunlight para at least hindi sobrang init, no? Kita yun yung meter reading ng tubig. Actually, we were delayed by about 2 months. Supposed to be target namin ni Alvin mga October magtanim na eh. But the irrigation system should be completely installed para hindi masayang yung tanim natin, no? We are assured of a steady supply of water for every durian tree planted.
Mapunduhan naman ang tangke kay na may pressure tank man na siya. So inigpaandar sa midya oras na pundo magsigin na siya sa oras na pud ang supply ana.
Yan, tataniman natin ng blackthorn. Lagyan ng magic sarap para masarap yung durian, no? Yan. Baka mag-vlog kayo ni ni Jeko tsaka si Apollo. Nga uy. Si Miipit. Saan ako ni? Gabi? Kamuti?
Wala na lang ko pag
guwapo ang kamuti, no? Overcrop mo kamuti, hindi man yan magtubo ng mataas. Okay na yan.
Tupay King.
Tupay King. Ang Tupay King, medyo mugbo siya gamay, no? Di siya kitaas pa. Lagpat gamay. This is Tupay King. One of the more expensive than Musang King, actually. Yan. Leaves niya, hindi masyadong haba. Medyo tambok gamay, mubo. That's Tupay King. Pag-plant mo, kailangan TLC. Tender loving care. Para ma-feel ng i-plant mo o itanim mo. They are being taken good care. And they will reciprocate you with a healthy durian tree.
Makita na to, ang planting distance sa tuwang durian is 10 by 10. Siguro by 10 years, nagyapon siya space para makagrow niya. Makakuha siya sunlight na para maka-produce siya og bunga. So ito nang gihimo ang net para pang shade. Usahay na yung mga adlaw nga init kayo, then kinahanglan nato siya i-care, inigabot diri sa area kay medyo harsh na ang environment diri. Naka-terrace siya para sayon ang ato ang pagtrabaho, then makontrol po nato ang erosion.
Kini Musang King, guwapo, no? There's another Musang King. Yellow gamay iyang pa, no?
Wala na siyang sprayhan o calcium boron.
Pero healthy man siya, actually. Medyo hindi lang kay green. Magic sarap. Hindi yan magic sarap, ha? Baka gayahin ninyo. Tapos DAP, dyed ammonium phosphate. Yan. Alam mo, even plants, they appreciate people who are happy. Magtanim na andyan yung love mo sa kanila. Nga oy, di man ay lalim magtanom. Simi kapoy. Target about, since this is about 7 hectares, 7.2. Kumakaya natin, siguro mga 700 seedlings matanim natin. That's the maximum. Apo tayo po ang mani. Apo tayo umali. Pwede man, no? Dagan. O, yan.
Daan na to.
It's better than a shovel. Shovel mas nakakapagod. Shout out din ako kay Bernard Bautista, yung mabait na kaibigan ko. He provided me support, some good durian cultivars. Mag-nursery din sila. If you need fruit seedlings, especially mga durian, marami siyang variety. Marami akong nakuha sa kanya. Thank you, Bernard. And thank you also in advance to Romy Suyo, yung mabait na kaibigan ko na very generous. Hindi man ako pinabayad doon sa Musang King na mga durian niya. Salamat talaga, Romy. Ano din ako sa kanya ng seedlings. That's why I'm preparing so many seedlings. Not only farm ko na itanim, but to share it also to my fellow Davao de Oro people. So, antayin ninyo, by January, I'll be notifying you, mga durian farmers, durian enthusiasts na gusto magtanim. Pre, kung pwede makahingi tayo ng, let's say, support from the Department of Agriculture, BPI, the Bureau of Plant Industries. Marami din tayong kaibigan doon. Baka makalibre tayo. Salamat din ako kay Jackson Dike. Bay, kumusta bay? He will be providing me with Musang King seedlings by next year. And I have to visit his farm for the second time. Kasi si Jack, isang farmer na talagang meticuloso. Gusto niya, always the best yung plants niya. He's into farming na. So, siyempre, mas marami siyang alam. See you, Jack. I'm thankful to Malaysian farmers, especially Dr. Tan. No? He really encouraged us to plant. He shared his technology, science to us without patago. Because he wants to help also the Filipino durian farmers. And maraming salamat, Dr. Tan. And maraming salamat doon sa nag-facilitate sa the first durian summit in the Philippines, si Belvis Farm, si Manuel Belvis. And we have so many good speakers. Dami nating na tutunan doon. It was very, very successful. I would like to thank also Alex Gamutan for really inspiring me and encouraging me to go into farming. Namin na siyang tinuro sa akin, the bell pepper, greenhouses, itong durian, at iba pa. He heads the NetFM here in Davao region. That's why I sought his expertise in establishing the water system or irrigation system. Siyempre, medyo magastos konti. Sabi nga ng Dr. Tan, you should plant it right so that maka-ani ka ng maganda. Thanks also to Joseph Pamplona from Tabacan, makilala. Yung i-share mo na mga seedlings sa akin. Nag-umpisa na ako magtanim, Joseph. And I'm excited to see them and watch them grow. Yeah, thank you for sharing your seedlings of Musang King and Black Dart. I'm sweating a little and a good exercise today. The weather is cooperating, no? It's not so hot. So I planted about 10 seedlings, and the rest yung mga tao na kaninang umaga pa. Every day, I cannot wait for them to grow. So siguro, yung realization mo would come after mga 2 years. Assured na tayo na hindi mamatay. So salamat sa lahat ng mga puntahan ko ng mga durian farm. Salamat din kay Larry Mikulub, no, for sharing to us last Durian Summit, the business side of planting durian, and very practical yun sa kanya, no. Yung how many years ka magkita, it's all about spending the next 5 to 6 years. Mag-invest ka talaga. Kung wala kang patience, wala kang passion talaga na magtanim, then you have no place in farming. Kailangan konting pasensya. So don't forget to subscribe my blog, like, pwede rin i-share ninyo, and don't forget to follow every vlog that I'll be presenting to you. Salamat sa suporta.